Hey guys, my name's Colton. I'm the manager here at Summit 4x4 in Prescott, and today we're going to be talking about recovery gear. So if you're out on the trail or when it's winter's coming, so when it's snowing real heavy, this type of stuff is really good to keep inside your Jeep. You can part it out, so we sell it parted out as far as all the different components of it. We also sell it in sets. So Warren is one brand, there's Rugged Ridge, there's a whole bunch of different brands, 30,000 pound toe straps and that kind of stuff. So there's a whole bunch of options out there, but we're more than happy to help you make that selection or build your own personal kit. So this one is Warren. This is the medium duty kit, and basically what it comes with is you have your bag to carry everything in. You have your toe strap, your tree saver, comes with two D-ring shackles, it has a snatch block, and then gloves. So, I'll pull some of these out and show you. So this is just the bag that comes with it, Warren, that way you can have everything, have somewhere to put everything. This is the tree saver. Most of the time here in Prescott, we don't have to worry about not having trees around. So there's always trees. So this is something really important to have, that way if you ever got stuck in a ditch or you're out in the street, and someone gets stuck in a ditch, you can usually attach this to some kind of tree or street post or something. So these are good to have. This is the toe strap, so this is what's going to connect the vehicle to whatever you're pulling from. They're usually around 20 to 30,000 pounds depending on which one you go with. This one, judging by the width of it, it's probably 20,000 pound, which is more than sufficient. This kit comes with two different D-rings, so these are just good to have. We usually like to push people more into like soft shackles just because they're a little safer with synthetic line, but these aren't bad just to have also. Here's your snatch block. So what this does is this allows you to pull at different angles. So like if you got stuck in a ditch, but the only way to get you out's over here, then you can run this off like your tree saver attached around the tree and do a single line pull at an angle. And you can also do something that's a two-line pull, which doubles the power of your winch. So basically the two-line pull is if you were extremely stuck and for some reason, one-line pull wouldn't do it, you can have this attached to a tree or whatever anchor point, go wrap your winch through it, which it just wraps around, close it, and then attach it back to your vehicle, and that's a two-line pull, and that literally doubles the power of your winch. So that should have no problem pulling you out. And then this kit also comes with a pair of gloves, and then it has all the instruction booklet and everything in there you would need to know kind of what stuff is. But we have all sorts of kits here, all sorts of different accessories to add on, from Factor 55 to Warren to anything you can think of. So you can buy a kit pre-made, which is usually a good starting point, then adding stuff in like soft shackles and that kind of stuff later, or we can help you piece together a kit. We have multiple options, Terraflex, everything you can think of. So make sure to swing in, especially as fall's coming, winter's coming, we're gonna have some crazy snow coming. It's a really good thing to keep in your Jeep. I make sure I always have one in my Jeep, along with a tool pack and some fluids and that kind of stuff. But this is one thing you're definitely going to want to keep in your Jeep, and whether you're off-road or even street driving, because when the snow hits, you're going to need it. So make sure to swing by. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. here at 402 East Sheldon Street in Prescott, Arizona. We'd be more than happy to help you build your own personal kit or look at the kits that are already built that we have. Thank you.